back half of the weekend, when the living room light pours in,
1.5.
I can almost slow down my breathing.
Hi, Ninang. Ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa pagdalo mo sa kasal natin. Salamat at dumating ka sa buhay ko. Matagal na kitang hinahanap at ito, kaharap na kita sa harap ng dambana.
Sa iyo, anak. Ano ba yan? Wala na akong masasabi. Puro kasiyahan ang nangyari sa araw na ito. At nagpapasalamat din ako kay Bon sa pagmamahal niya sa aking princess.
Calm yourself down. Why don't you take let the air go in and out. Calm yourself down. You might not take the time if you don't start now. Oh, calm yourself down. Why don't you take a minute? Let the air go in and out. Now, calm yourself down. You might not take the time if you don't start now. Oh, calm yourself down. Down.
Growing up, getting married for me wasn't important. I knew it would eventually happen, it was a part of life, but I didn't dream about it. Alam ko na alam mo yon dahil sinabi ko sa iyo na hindi pa tayo. That is until you came into my life.
Alam ko magiging mabuti kang asawa at anak sa iyong pamilya. Butihin mong yung trabaho para magkaroon kayo ng magandang buhay.
Noon pa man, ipinangako ko sa iyo na samahan mo ko panghabang buhay. Ako na ang maglilid. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating storya na kaiinggitan ng iba.
Wedding will just happen this afternoon. What comes after this is what marriage is all about. Wedding is just a day, but marriage is a lifetime.
I started to wonder something I can't deny.
God will make you one. Come to think of it, there's a mystery in marriage na kayong dalawa ay pagkakaisahin ng Diyos spiritually. Kaya napakahalaga rin ng spiritual union at spiritual life ninyo, Von and Cass. And only God, only Jesus, through the power and the grace of the Holy Spirit can do this between the two of you.
I vow to continually remind you of your incredible potential because you've shown me more than you can see. I vow to help you embrace life, always hold you with tenderness, and have the patience that love requires.
Pagkatapos ng kasal na ito, tayo babalik na sa Australia bilang opisyal na mag-asawa. Dadalhin mo ang pangalan ko at ng ating anak. Babalik sa buhay na tahimik, malayo sa gulo, at walang mga marites na kapitbahay. Asahan mong ako pa rin ang ninang na makakasama mo sa isang bubong.
I promise to always be your best friend and your biggest fan. But most importantly, I promise no matter what happened, I will always come home to you because you are my home. I love you.